Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about and show you specifically a homemade blind cleaning tool. I will be showing you how to make it in this very simple tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional video. So if you have blinds at home, you know that they can be a little bit of a pain to clean, okay? If you have shutters or blinds, anything that even if, whether they're vertical or horizontal, they can be a pain to clean. A lot of people will get cloths and they'll, get them in the cleaning solution and then they run their hands along, but that only gets one side because your hand is not big enough to go over the entire blind most likely. And then you got to go to the other side and you got to remember which ones you did, which ones you didn't do. And then the cloth starts to slip and we've all been there and done that, okay? There's an easy thing that you can do to create a homemade blind cleaning tool, okay? So I'm showing you how to make it in a very simple tutorial. This is it. All that you need is a pair of tongs and some socks. And I'll give you some bonus tips at the end, so stay tuned, okay? So basically, you're going to want to get a pair of tongs like this, okay? Now, obviously, you decide on the size. Smaller ones will work better, but I just grabbed these really quickly, okay? So grab a pair of tongs and grab a pair of socks. Now, what you're going to want to do is get each sock, okay, and place it over one of the sides of the tongs. So I'm getting one of the socks over here, okay, and it is going over one of these sides of the tongs, and you're going to, make the sock go all the way down like that, nice and tight, and then the other sock over here goes on the other side of the tong. Very simple, okay? And I'll show you how it's going to work. I don't have blinds in my car, in my van right now, but I'll show you how it's going to work. So essentially what you have now is something that you can use to dust those blinds, right? Or you can put a little bit of cleaning solution on the socks, and like whatever you would put on your cloth when you're cleaning your blinds, you put it on the socks. You can just do it like this and just dust them without anything on them, or you can use a cleaning solution. It's completely up to you, okay? Very simple and straightforward. Okay, now, basically what you're going to do is, let's say this is the blind and it's vertical. So it's vertical. You're going to get the tongs with the socks and you're going to go around the blinds like this. And you're going to either wipe them just plain or with the cleaning solution on it. You can just go like that and wipe them just like that. Let's say your blinds are horizontal. Same thing. You're going to go around the blind like that. Now the benefit is that look at all of this cleaning length you get. That's ridiculous. You're going to be able to get your entire blind in one swipe. Both sides of it in one swipe. Okay? It's great. It works really, really well. And basically, you just go along each of your blinds. Or this way. That's it. You'll be able to clean your blinds better than ever before and faster than ever before. Now, here's some bonus tips. The first bonus tip is obviously you can use like smaller socks if you want to, or bigger socks, right? I just grabbed these, but like you can use, smaller socks or bigger socks. It's up to you, whatever works well. But you want to make sure that the next bonus tip is make sure that the socks are tight around it. You don't want them to be loose because then that's going to be, right? Nothing's going to be gripping over here. So make sure that they're tight along the edge here. This way it really grips along the blinds, okay? And the last thing I want to say, the last bonus tip is obviously when you're done, you're going to remove everything, okay? And you're going to wash everything. So make sure you wash your socks because they've been used to wipe blinds down. So make sure you wash your socks and obviously wash the tongs thoroughly before you use them again. You're obviously going to want to make sure you wash the tongs as thoroughly as you can possibly wash them before you use them again. Very simple. And that's basically it. That's all I have to say. It's really, really easy to do. And hopefully you can use this little trick and tutorial to clean your blinds better and faster than ever before. Hopefully you liked it. That's all I got to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.